Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the support hub section of Pronto. So it's accessible on the far left here. You scroll down, it's this little button beside the settings button. You click that and then it brings you here. So right now it directs to ticket status if you have any open tickets, but today we're going to work from the top down. So introduction. Right off the bat, you see the quick start guide. These are any prerequisites you'll need before getting access to the Pronto API. So this is not the longest, not the shortest, but it'll go through how to send a message, create a contact, create a WhatsApp conversation, everything you'll need for the Pronto API, along with next steps and any help questions at the bottom. So say if I want to look at, I'm going to do a bit of a tease here. Say if I want to go into workflows, it'll bring me into the API reference, and then it'll drop me down right into how to get and set up a workflow. So if I go back to introduction, the help section is also very, very helpful. So if I go into request a demo, I click into there, and then it opens up the CAPTIA website where you can book an appointment to look at a demo for Pronto. But right now, I'm going to go back to the demonstration. So after introduction, you can go to authentication on the left after support docs, where it'll give you getting your API key to access the Pronto dashboard. So you log into Pronto, then there's best security practices, and then making authenticated requests and all that good stuff. Any error responses, security features. And then again, there's more helpful information at the bottom where there's a quick meta link for the quick start guide, a link to make a ticket. You click that, it makes a ticket there. And then if you want to upgrade your plan, say if your rate limits are too low, it'll also bring you to the CAPTIA website as well. And as we looked at earlier, which is the API reference, you click into there. These are all the Pronto API endpoints for how to use Pronto to its fullest. So say if in the search bar you want to know how to create a knowledge base, this is the exact endpoint to do that. All your post requests, all your get requests, they'd all be on this section here of the support hub, along with a little trying it out feature. You can actually send API requests and test it before you commit to a build. And at the bottom here, this is the ticket creation section. So I'm going to make a ticket and test it out. So this subject will be testing a demo ticket. And then I already have a description, so I'm going to paste in that and then submit a ticket. So when you submit a ticket, it redirects you to the ticket status section. So right here, you will see all the information you will ever need regarding your ticket, if it's open, on hold, escalated, and closed. So say if you have an issue and then you're using this chat box here, an agent on the other side will respond to you and update your ticket based off the status. So say if you're talking to me and let's say if there's an issue with your ticket and I want to escalate it. If I escalate it on my end, you'll see in the UI that the ticket has been escalated. So you don't need to leave the UI whatsoever. There's other general information here. So when it was open, what channel, unassigned, last updated, and then this is the actual ticket conversation. So this is where you'll talk to the agent. There's two different features here where you can upload attachments, which is purely optional, and then emojis where you can send messages here and there. So I'm going to send another message here just for testing purposes. So I'll do test, sending, and then sent. And then the agents behind the scenes will message you back, and then it's through this interface here. So thank you very much for listening. This is the support docs and help and status section for creating tickets and looking at your ticket status. Thank you for listening.